I'm here at Energy Power Sports in Oakville, and one of my favorite upgrades to this Lynx Rave RE are the B2 series LED lights. I'm going to show you right now how to install them. There are two Torx T25 screws underneath the lid of the front storage compartment. Removing both those screws will allow you to pull out the storage compartment and access the headlights. Once they're removed, just gently tilt up both the gauge console and the storage compartment and wiggle it out. This one had an accessory 12-volt plug in the compartment, so you have to unclip it. There's a right and wrong way these LEDs go in. This is upside down, and never put them in on an angle like this. You want to make sure the most forward LED chip is at the top and the blade is perfectly vertical, straight up and down. Then grab the LED by the black collar, lock it in place with a quarter turn, and then once it's in place, twist the fan of the bulb till that blade is completely vertical and the most forward LED is at the top of the stack. Connect the LED bulb to the wiring harness and then give it a test just to make sure everything's working. And then move on to the other side. You'll notice the bulb comes out, but the rubber ring often does not. Make sure those little rubber rings from the old halogens are removed or you'll never get that light to seat back in right. Connect the LED light to the wiring harness and then rotate the fan until that bulb is in the right orientation as discussed earlier in the video. Then clip the wiring harness to the back of the gauge and then reconnect the main connector. Don't forget to push that little red clip to lock it all into place. Connect your 12-volt accessory and then gently marry it all together.
That's it, that's locked. There you go.
If you had the windshield off, snap that back into place now, and then you can reinstall the two Torx T25 machine screws. B2 series LED lighting is available at Energy Power Sports or by clicking the link at the bottom of your screen.